Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode of this cool mid right here, and basically what this is a scrub brush or a dish brush that you can use it to clean like your dishes or even like your sink or countertop. You can definitely use this in many different situations. But you can see this is basically what the packaging looks like and what the product looks like. Let me actually open this up first to show you guys a better view of the product. Alright, so when you take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So this part right here definitely feels really strong and super hard. So if you guys are worried about scratching like your pots or pan, you probably don't want to use this part right here. But you really need to clean off your product that you guys can't clean with a regular sponges. Then you definitely want to get one of these to use because it is really strong right here. And then for the pot right here, you can see they actually have this part right here that's like a little scraper. So definitely use that to scrape out stuff. Whether you guys want to scrape out stuff on your countertop or your stove top, you can definitely use it in that situation. And see the handle option right here, the way how to design it, it definitely is a pretty high quality wood material. So that way actually looks pretty cool, and you also get a very nice grip when you guys actually use it. And they give you guys this little string or rope option, so if you guys want to hang it on somewhere, you definitely can as well. So this is basically what the product looks like. Let's actually go test it out to see how it works and when it actually works, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so you can see on this side of the stove top, it is a little bit dirty. There's some marks on here. So we'll use the little brush that we have to clean it off and see how it works. Alright, let's start scrubbing. Alright, so for some of these harder surface stuff, they just can't use the brush to clean off. You can definitely use the option in the back right here to scrub it off. It's definitely much more effective if you guys have like hard surface that just can't use the other side to scrub. You guys can just switch back and forth from one side to the other, whatever works best for you guys. Alright, so that should be good. Let's get a cloth and wipe it down. Alright, so basically once you guys are done using the product, you can just rinse it off and clean off the brush right here. Alright, so once you guys are done, you guys can just hang on somewhere. So we got a little hanger right here that we just hang like this. So you can see this is basically what it looks like once you guys finish using it. If you guys have somewhere to hang it, you can definitely hang like that. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product, and definitely see it actually does work and actually works quite well. So like I mentioned earlier, for this product, you want to be careful in terms of how to use the product. You probably don't want to scratch certain surfaces or certain pots and pans that has like a non-stick coating. If you guys want to use this for like a cast iron pot or anything that's super sturdy to the point where you guys don't have to worry about scratching it, then you guys can definitely use this in that situation. If you guys want to use this to clean off like your countertop or your stove top, if you guys have like the electric induction cooktop, then this definitely works pretty well, especially if you guys use the scraper option. But now that we're unboxing and testing our product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys want to use it for everything that I mentioned earlier, to clean like your cast iron pot, or clean your stove top or your countertop. You can definitely use this in all those situations. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.